Okay guys, I done finally figure out how to do the battery delete on the XMAX. We're gonna do it real quick. So, but the way that it's being done now, the battery from the wire from the back is being ran straight to the alternator. There's no connection from the battery on my distributor box. So let's go ahead and see if it's gonna work. All right, here we go. You got your negative. Just wanted to make sure it's secured though and don't move. So you got your negative, and you got your positive. So none of them shouldn't make their way over to the battery post. All right, let's go ahead and give it a shot. I'm gonna close it. All right, here we go. Let's cut that on. Got pretty good voltage, 13.3. All right, here we go. And we'll be battery delete. All right, everything normal. Car's running good. Voltage good. Let's see. All right.
We out here getting to a sack. They out here getting their clout up. Man, fuck all these niggas.
We sitting at 14.9. So we're gonna give it a little blast. Here we go.
Man, I wish my nigga was here with me to take a sip. Hey, pour some drink for the game. 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 Pour some drink. Pour some drink for the game. I got a cup for the pain. Double my cup. Double my cup. Double my cup for the pain. I got a cup for the game. Double my cup for the pain. Double my cup for the game. RP my niggas is gone. Free all my niggas that's like. They really can say no names. All niggas wanna get me caught. Niggas get what they need. Did all them choosing your problems. We out here getting to a setting.
That's it, y'all. It's a done deal. And look at the volts. The volts just rise right back up. When the music playing hard, it might go down to 14.5, but all right.